Okay, here's the second video of the Atwater Kent Model 42 receiver that I'm still working on. You can see this is a metal cased receiver. This is the RF deck that I've got pulled out of it. You can see the various components. There's the variable capacitor. This is a TRF receiver, type receiver. It's not a superhet receiver. Here are some of the components that I put in there. I didn't replace that many components. You can see here in the schematic. I'll turn this way. What I replaced in the schematic. So the capacitors were all most of them needed to be replaced. That orange drop was the output capacitor. Here's what I pulled out. This was the original, filled with tar, and of course when I fired it up, it smoked. so here's another capacitor here. This again, they made these components right from scratch. So there was they didn't go and buy these components. They made them. So this capacitor still functioned, but it was a little warm. What is this thing? Well, I thought it was some sort of a tool at first. Then I realized it actually was supposed to be a 2 meg resistor tied to the grid of the detector. So, well, it actually was open. So, but I puzzled over that. I said, "What the devil is that thing?" And then I realized it actually was supposed to be a resistor. So there you go. This is the power supply here, which is in good shape. Note I added a modern electrolytic cap because the electrolytics, which are buried in tar. See the tar? See that? That's all hard as a rock tar. And so I had to put that in there to clean up the hum, which now it's quite clear. So there you go. That is the still being worked on Model 42 from Atwater, Kent, 1927.
Shot at the Jets, Dan. I mean, first of all, I've been saying this because everyone assumes that they're going to go 0-16. Week 11 is the key week for the New York Jets. It's their bye week. Okay. So just look ahead.
Looking ahead to that break. It's like when school starts, you're already looking ahead to Thanksgiving vacation. That's what a lot of kids are probably doing right now. But what we're doing on the Doug Gottlieb Show, on this BKR edition, we are giving teams across the NFL and their fans a wake-up call. Johnny Ramo dropping the beats.